Hi, superstars! Hello and welcome. In this recorded episode, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement 38 divided by 38 over 46, then times 46. First, we do this multiplication 38 over 46 times 46. We can easily cancel this 46 and this 46. So here we have this 38 only, and 38 divided by 38 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first, 38 divided by 38 over 46. To do this division, write down the 38, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 46 over 38. And here again, we have times 46. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 38 and this 38, which gives 46. And here again, we have times 46. So here we have this 46 times 46, which equals 2116. And this is our final answer to this problem. Make sure to join the fun, like and subscribe.